Hello guys, hello people, hello beautiful people. You're welcome to my channel. Idara here. To my first time viewers, you are all welcome, and to my new and returning subscribers, you guys are the realest, you're the meanest. Thank you for stopping by and tuning in. Okay, you're lovely and most loved. And if you're not subscribed to my channel,
what's going on?
please hit that subscribe button, that red button, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out of subsequent content from this channel. Make sure to click all. Yeah, when you click the bell, you see all. You see that self-care, growth, everything, the latest on beauty is all in this channel. So be sure to go check out my previous videos and give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts and comment what you would love to see on this channel. Let's just have fun. Let's all hear from each other. It's all good. It's all love, baby. It's all love. It's all love. So in today's video, I'll be sharing must-have makeup products if you're looking to start your makeup kits. Yeah, so I know this can be a challenge because I've been there one time in my life, and you don't want to splurge on things that you don't necessarily need because it's personal stuff and you are a beginner, you're not really that skilled in makeup. I just want to get the makeup, the basic things. Yeah, so this video I'll be listing them out for you. You just have to have it in your makeup, your personal makeup kits. You have to have it. So if you would love to know those items, you'd love to know what to have in your starter beginner friendly makeup kits, keep on watching. Let's get into the video. Starting off with the skin. Yeah, so the first thing to get is a primer. You need a good base for your makeup to sit on and last all day. Yeah, so get a good primer, invest in a good primer, and you need to get primer that is tailored to your skin type. You're either normal skin, dry skin, or oily, combination to oily skin. So you need to get a primer suitable for your skin type. Before even we move on, I just want to give this this tip. Whenever you want to get any product as a makeup beginner, product from foundation to powder to primer, you should get a makeup product that is suitable for its skin type. So the next thing you need to get is a foundation. You need a good foundation. A foundation is for even your skin tone to cover blemishes. So we have matte foundation and moisturizing foundation, and matte is most times for oily skin. I use matte foundation, and this Lancome foundation is just so good, super good. It's what I'm wearing right now and I really love it. I've had this makeup prior to shooting this video. I made up like about 5 hours ago and my face still looks so good. Lancome is wonderful. I love the foundation. It's like pretty much, you know, wearing anything. So it's one of my best foundations. After that, you need a concealer. This is the Elegant Pro concealer, the OG of concealers. I mean, I still have like 3-4 shades of this concealer. I really love Elegant Pro concealer, and there is another one, a Nigerian brand, Nuben Beauty concealer too. I use that frequently and I really love it. Concealer is used to apply on blemishes, on areas that are dark. Yeah, you can use concealer to either color correct or highlight areas of your face you would like to make prominent. Yeah, so some people apply concealers before their foundation, while some on top their foundation, and some people apply just concealer without foundation. So if you'd love to see how you can achieve a full look without foundation, I'll put the card up somewhere here so you can see my no foundation routine. Yeah, basically pretty much what a concealer is used for, and you need to get a concealer, a dark shade and a light shade. Yeah, 2 shades lighter, don't go too far, or I will advise a shade lighter, since for beginners who do not know how to blend their makeup properly, just get something you can walk around with so you don't look harsh. Next thing to get is a powder. You need a powder. This is a loose powder and a compact powder, so anyone can work for you. you just need to get what suits your skin shade. Yeah, you don't want to look white or too harshy. Yeah, so most times the loose powder is used to set under eye where you've highlighted, and compact powder is used to set all over the face, but powder generally is used to keep your makeup, that is your cream makeup, in place. So you need to get a powder. Next thing you need to get is a brow definer. The brow frames the face. You could just decide not to wear anything on your face, but your brow, keep it fleeked, okay? The brow is what frames your face. Whatever brow brow products you want to use, it doesn't matter, whether be a cream gel, pencil. I use pencil most time, a pen liner, a brow definer, usually a tiny pin mouth, but this is a pencil, and this just costs 100 naira, so it's not too expensive. It's not expensive rather, so you could get it. Next is optional. So for a beginner who doesn't know how to do her makeup well, I'd say you could skip it, or if you still love that extraness, contouring is not too hard. You just get a powder contour, is easier to work with. So contour brings dimension to the face. So when you have so much going on, like you've applied your powder, your foundation, your powder, your face just looks there. The contour gives dimension to your face, okay? It brings more definition, your cheekbone, your nose, yeah? So you could decide to get a contour, and I go in with my Maybelline compact powder too, but it's another one, and this is cacao. It's popular for contour here. Most makeup artists use it, so this just is what I use to contour my face after cream contouring, and I really like it. Yeah, let's move to the eyes. So the first thing you would get is an eyeshadow primer for your eyeshadow to stick on, yeah, and to accentuate the color. Well, I do not use primer. I use concealer. Yeah, my Elegant concealer is multi-purpose. That's one thing about makeup. So you can have one thing that could serve different purposes, just depending on how you use it. It's technique that matters. So I use my Elegant Pro concealer, but a brighter shade, a more brighter shade. So it's not usually this shade. I do not have it here. It's not anywhere close. However, I use a concealer as a primer. We all do that, don't we? Next is eyeliner. So the eyeliner for the top of your eye, for tight lining this part of your eye, close your lid, close your lashes, and also the waterliner. So it's more like a kajal. You use it for under your eye, and the pen liner, it could either be a liquid liner or a pen liner. So use it to line or tight line your lid. Another thing to consider getting is an eyeshadow. Yeah, you need to get an eyeshadow, either a quad palette, something that is small but has shades that you can, colors that you can work around with. I'd advise for beginners, go with neutrals. Yeah, so walk around with browns, shimmer colors like champagne gold, gold, nude, pastels, just subtle colors. So that would be my advice to beginners. Get a mascara. Yeah, so I usually, when I do not have my lashes on, my mascara lifts my eyes. Yeah, so a mascara is very important. You don't need to do too much. Maybe that day you're not feeling all lash. You just go in with your mascara. It just gives your eye that lift, especially when you have scanty lashes or not too long lashes. We have different kind of mascara, lengthening and volumizing. So this is a lengthening mascara. This is by Lancome. The name is not here, but it's really good. I love the Bristol. It combs out my lash because I have a coily lash. And another lash mascara I really like and I recommend, no ad, no sponsorship. I recommend this lash. I know some of you beauty creators, their makeup artists also can swear by this mascara, and that is the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. That was my favorite for the longest time. I just ran out of it, and I will be getting it soon because I love the brush. I really love the brush. I found it hard to let go of the one that got finished, but it dried out and I just had to dispose it. And let's go on to the next thing you need to get in your makeup kit. This is optional. You don't necessarily have to get it, but if you are an extra diva, you could go on to get your lashes. It just gives your makeup a pop. Look at this. If I wasn't wearing the lashes, it will look good, but it wouldn't look this extra. So for extraness, you could get it and accompany with a lash glue. I recommend you get duo lash glue. This is good, the one with the green writing on it. I mean, this glue. Another thing you need to get is a highlighter to give yourself that pop, that glow. Yes, girl, get that glow on. And I use this Manizer. I have different highlighters, but I love this Trio by Manizer Sister, and I combine this two, this brown highlight and this silver highlight on my cheek. Yeah, you can see it, and the bridge of my nose. Now onto the lips. You could get any lip product of your choice. Let me get the ones I have here. A lipstick. This is by Lancome. It's a bold red, a hot red, very hot red. And get a nude gloss, a must-have too. Anyone. This is Zaron, and this is Nuben Beauty. This is a lip stain and by YSL. This lip stain is the truth. I always wear it, and it's so hard to come off. Yeah. Another one thing I'll say you should have is a clear gloss, just to pop on some extraness on your lip. Like now I'm popping on some extraness. And finally, a setting spray, just to get yourself set. You know, using a setting spray just makes your makeup sit on your skin, absorb into your skin, and makes it look more flawless and natural. So a setting spray is really good. It just reduces the cakiness and the harshness from the powder you might have applied. So get you a setting spray, a good one. If you have dry skin, you could get dewy setting spray. I have oily to combination skin, but I love dewy setting sprays most times, but sometimes I alternate and use matte setting spray, whatever works for you anyways, but it's your choice. I love a dewy finish. It depends on the finish you like. Some people like matte finish, some do like dewy. What finish do you like? Comments, let me know. Yeah, these are my preference. These are the products that should be in every makeup enthusiast beginner makeup kit. So that's about it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have your own recommendations, what you think every beginner should have in their makeup kit, or people looking to start a makeup kit but they do not know what to buy, if you have suggestions, be sure to comment below. Let everyone know. You can just be helpful to the next person. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Let's join the family. Join me and my Ainekas. Let's have fun. It's all about beauty and culture here on my channel. Self-care, personal growth, girl chit chat, culture reports, everything you just need to know to keep you on the loop of things. Okay, yeah, see you next time. Signing out here. Bye bye.